Nkuga came through for Jackson and Martha just when they were starting to think that they gave up their baby for nothing. Stan starts hearing voices telling him to leave the hotel and leave Mnyameni and never come back. Just after meeting with Thandiswa and Zeletu to discuss handing over the hotel to them. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. UMartha udikiwe finish ngempilo yasematshotshombeni saying ukuthi Jackson nami naye angikwazi ukuphila ngale ndlela. I cannot live like this. Sometimes we think we gave up our baby for nothing. Just for this for beers and this shake ngeke Jackson yazi ngapha I'm in pain. Usezinhlungwini uMartha like she had C-section without any anesthetic. Unikezwa nje imbiza. Yo yazi ubhizi uyabemeza ubhizi uyamrasela uJackson. Jackson said, hey baby, now phela nami angisinesa, I don't even know what to do. But Martha just insists she just wants to get beer. Jackson keeps on going to get her beer. At least was imali beer, hey? But they're so supportive to each other, hey? They stick together. A true definition of through thick and thin. Because, I mean, look at them. Couple goals. They're still together. They really love each other because Jackson is just there for Martha. And, but he has to because they're in this mess because of him. Nemali bekade itshontsha esengumeya and also gambled ngehotel kaMartha. Now uMartha starting to think ukuthi hey yazi I gave up my baby. I think we gave up our baby for nothing. Manje sesimatshotshombeni, it's been a day. Kanti kwenzakalani? What's going on? Uphi uNquga? Jackson tries calling Nquga. Nquga does not pick up. Now they're getting frustrated and they think ukuthi hey it's a rip off la. Udlale ngathi uNquga kanti And then Stan meets up with Uzweletu noThandiswa to give them the paperwork to go through it so they can sign and he can hand over the hotel to them. Thandiswa is so excited saying that she cannot wait to be owner your hotel. Stan just wants to get it off his hands saying maybe bazoirana better than him. And then when he goes to bed, he starts hearing voices busy calling him, Stan, leave the hotel, hamba la emnyameni and never come back. Akasathunganga Stan. uNquga now is at work. Yo, akasathunganga Stan wondering ukuthi yini. I wonder if he's going to run away before he gets the hotel sold to Jackson and Zweletu. Are they going to get it back? Now, Petrina, Mrs. Mayor, she's trying by all means to look like Rosemary, changing a style girl, inwele and everything. But she's not happy about the gift that Umianake got for her because it's not real gold. Ngapha she keeps on feeling dizzy. Ngathi umit Petrina, hey, seems like she's pregnant. Now she meets up with this Rosemary girl, woman, and they meet up at the Royal Hotel. Girl starts gossiping about Martha, saying, I didn't know you wait for Martha, and I've heard a rumor that she used to be a prostitute. I confirm that it's not a rumor, it's true. Where you're on a prostitute, Martha. And then they laugh about it. Actually, I only hanged out with her because me and Mami is friends with Jackson. But I'm feeling kazini. Now they're celebrating with girl, so Mayor. They're even drinking bubbles. But Petrina is not well, man. She keeps on getting dizzy. And then this PA Kasakile comes to the house and notices the necklace that she's wearing and says, I'm glad you like it. Your husband asked me to pick it for you. I'm glad. I'm so happy that you like it. Agasapapo girl, why did she have to tell her that? Sakile comes home. Agasadinanga Upechuna saying, so you asked your PA to pick up a gift for me, na? Upechuna, he apologized. The way Usakile apologizes though, he humbled himself, apologized, and said he should have made time. Angixolele phela, angixolele mama. Uyazi abona nje azamele Petunia and says that next time he'll buy the gift himself. Ngapha uThani is teaching Tim to be romantic. As uThini went all out, got a candlelight dinner for her, but she insists that he should have gotten her flowers. Tim says, next time ungakhathazeki, I'll get you flowers. Hi, ahambe ke emsebenzini. Umandla's like, you guys, you need to keep whatever you're doing professional. I don't care what you're doing outside, but là you're both seniors, so you need to keep it professional. And then Tim went and got flowers, but he got plastic flowers, fake flowers. Now Tyler is like, hi, Lembali, fake flowers. Are you saying good our life is not real? Ati cha, it means elangempela phela because Lembali lezi ngeke zize zife, they are forever yours. Tayan was thinking ukuthi imbali zasemathuneni lezo, but she ended up liking them. He also got her a cup and a teddy bear. Like, she was so happy. They look so cute. Like, they've got this whole illusion love thingy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.